This is our Porsche 911 996 Carrera 4. Now I've got to show you around this car because it is, well, she's beautiful, finished in ocean blue. Now this one's got 48,000 miles on the clock, 3 owners, fantastic service history, and it's also got a few extras, this one. First of all, as you can probably hear, it's got a louder exhaust. I'll give it a rev in just a second. It's also got the extra sunroof, factory parking sensors, air conditioning. Interior's been well kept, 6-speed manual, sounds good. You can turn the exhaust on and off for those wondering. It's got a nice exciting noise to it, and the rest of it is as good as it looks.